Odie, beat her up. Yeah. Yeah, Odie, beat her. Beat her up, Odie. Kick her butt. Or you're getting your butt whipped, but yeah. Yeah, Odie, you got this. Look, when your sword gets done baking, you'll be able to fight her for real. Odie, yeah, beat her up. Kick her butt. Beat her. Yeah, beat her up, yeah. Kick her, punch her, slap her with your poles. Punch her with your poles, you got this, come on.
The day before, I only slept like 2 hours while we were driving. No, I didn't. I woke up at 2 with him and then again at 6. I didn't sleep good for shit. And then when I went back to bed with the damn dog, I couldn't fall asleep.
Oh!
Hey, didn't Mom tell you to put this damn computer away?
Oh yeah, beat her up, Odie!
I never even noticed the pet car wash.
Oh! Oh, run, Odie, run! Look at him, he's still running, he's a track star. When you run away, he ain't gonna get far. Beat her up! Oh yeah, Odie. What do you have to say? Ow! Oh, oh no! Beat her up! Yeah, oh! Oh my gosh! Beat her! Oh yeah! Get her, Odie, beat her! Odie! Beat her up, Odie.
I thought your mom said the gas station,
Hey.
gas station, or
Hey. Oh, I'm sorry, boy. Aw. Hey.
My mom said,
Yeah. Alright, guys. Well,
I think that one with that whatever sandwich.
I'm going to show you guys. That was Odie. He's our new puppy. He's 7 weeks old, and his name is Odie. And that's also my dog. And look what I got him. I made him this sword. Wait, hold on.